Hi everybody, and welcome to Unit 5 of our English 105 course. This week we have one assignment due, and it is a discussion board assignment. Per usual, this assignment has two parts, with your main post due by Friday and your two responses to classmates due by Tuesday. As always, it's a great idea to look at the rubric. This week you are sharing a mock email. So it's an email you're not actually going to send, but it will be an email form. And you're going to be writing to a fellow CTU student who is about to take this course, and they have the same major as you. And you're going to be sharing how effective writing and research skills impact three different areas of your life. How it impacts your educational and academic goals, how writing and research skills help you professionally with your professional and career goals, and then finally, how effective writing and research skills impact your personal life. So as you can see here from the rubric, we have those points there for each of the paragraphs. We have 15 points for adding details, examples, talking about audiences and purposes, all those things we've been talking about this semester. 5 points for grammar and spelling, and then, as usual, the 30 total points for your two responses to classmates. So don't forget those. I want to take you next to a great example. This is an example of what your email might look like. So you'll have the to line up here with the email address, a subject line with whatever you want up here, summing up what your email is about. Then you'll have a greeting, and then you'll dive into your 3 paragraphs. These are really nice length of paragraphs with a lot of great examples. I will post this example to the discussion board for you as well. But I just wanted to give you this quick video tour to talk a little bit about it. The big thing I want to point out is I really want to see all 3 areas discussed, education, career, and personal. I will tell you where students often go wrong. They often, will do a great job in 2 areas, and then one of the areas just falls flat. There's no examples, no details. And as you can see from the rubric, that has a big impact. That's worth 15 points for each paragraph, and then another 15 points for those details. So I recommend do some brainstorming. Take out a timer, set it for 5 minutes, and write as much as you can. Don't stop writing the whole time. Brainstorming ideas for each of these 3 areas. Let me know how that goes. All right, everybody, have a wonderful final week. Don't forget to go back and work on your IntelliPath, Units 1 through 4. Feel free to continue practice and revising, and make sure those extra credit sections are also complete, because that'll have a big impact on your grade. And if you have any late work out there, go ahead and get caught up. I would love to see that late work submitted here at the end of the semester. All right, everybody, let me know how I can help. Have a fantastic final week, and I will see you on the discussion board.